This 2015 Keystone Outback 312BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 10, DVD player, refrigerator, LP detector, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, oven, spare tire kit, air conditioning, skylight, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Keystone Outback 312BH is 7,505 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.